It's actually cutting logs there.
Can I say something completely off that?
I'm going to behave now.
Admiral Bird makes a good point in the text chat. He runs AT's website, and he says, I can delete Anti-Trekker's website anytime I get too mad.
I just okay. As a first-time listener to Anti-Trekker, it was not something I was used to. I'll watch it a few times and see what happens. Way to go, Pflugerville. I'm just glad that it is done in a friendly manner, that they're friends.
What?
Not him, you.
Me?
Yeah. Unmute him.
You're laughing.
Unmute him.
Okay.